How to connect AirPods to Mac. Here are the steps on how to connect your AirPods to your Mac. 1. Make sure that your AirPods are turned on and in range of your Mac. 2. On your Mac, go to System Preferences Bluetooth. 3. Make sure that Bluetooth is turned on. 4. In the list of devices, select your AirPods. 5. Click Connect. If your AirPods are not listed, you can try putting them into pairing mode. To do this, open the charging case and hold down the button on the back of the case until the status light flashes white. Once your AirPods are connected, you can use them to listen to music, watch videos, and make phone calls. You can also use the built-in microphone to make voice recordings or control Siri. Here are some known issues when connecting AirPods to Mac. AirPods may not connect to Mac. If you are having trouble connecting your AirPods to your Mac, make sure that Bluetooth is turned on both devices. You can also try putting your AirPods into pairing mode by opening the charging case and holding down the button on the back of the case until the status light flashes white. AirPods may not play sound. If you are having trouble getting sound from your AirPods, make sure that they are selected as the audio output device in System Preferences. You can also try restarting your Mac and your AirPods. AirPods may have poor sound quality. If you are not happy with the sound quality of your AirPods, try cleaning the ear tips and the mesh on the speaker housings. You can also try restarting your AirPods may not stay connected. If you are having trouble keeping your AirPods connected to your Mac, try restarting your Mac and your AirPods. You can also try moving your Mac closer to your AirPods. AirPods may not work with all apps. Not all apps support Bluetooth audio. If you are having trouble using your AirPods with a specific app, try restarting the app. If you are still having problems with your AirPods, you can contact Apple support for help. 2. Here are some things you can do if Bluetooth is not turning on in your Mac. 1. Check if Bluetooth is turned on in System Preferences. To do this, go to System Preferences Bluetooth. Make sure that the Bluetooth switch is turned on. 2. Restart your Mac. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix Bluetooth issues. 3. Reset the Bluetooth module. To do this, hold down the Option and Shift keys, then click the Bluetooth icon in the menu bar. Select Debug Reset the Bluetooth module. 4. Update your Mac software. Make sure that your Mac is up to date with the latest software. To do this, go to System Preferences Software Update. 5. Check for hardware issues. If you have checked all of the above and Bluetooth is still not working, you may have a hardware issue. In this case, you will need to contact Apple support for help.